What you're seeing now might look very real, but it's not. And no, they are not made with Veo3 or SORA. They are created using a new tool most people haven't discovered yet. It outperforms Veo3 in quality, but it's not free, so at least for those who don't watch this video. After watching countless videos and going through different methods, I found a way to use it for free, and not just for a few videos, but without any limits. I will walk you through the entire process step by step, and in the end of the video, you will know how to use this tool for free and create content like this. But before we start, give this video a like and subscribe if you love discovering powerful AI tools before everyone else. So, what is the tool? The tool I will be going through today is Seedance. With Seedance 1.0, you can turn your ideas into stunning videos. Just type a prompt or drop an image, and the advanced Seedance model brings it to life, with cinematic camera moves, multi-shot storytelling, and pro-level visual effects as you can see here. You can create like never before and truly experience the future of video creation with Seedance AI. Seedance is built by the company behind TikTok and CapCut. It quickly claimed the top spot on the artificial analysis video arena leaderboard, surpassing competitors like Veo3 and leading in both text-to-video and image-to-video generation. All these videos are made using Seedance technology, from dynamic text-to-video creations to stunning image-to-video transformations. Each one features cinematic camera moves and professional quality visuals. How to access the tool for free. Before I show you how to unlock this tool for free with no limits, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing the video with someone who might benefit. Thank you. Let's dive in. Now, let me show you how to use it for free. First, go to the link I've left below in the description and click on Create Now. In the bottom left corner, you'll see Sign In. Click there. You can use any email you want here, and you can also log in using different email addresses. Once you're in, you'll see a page like this. At the top, click on AI Video to access the video generation tool. As you can see, the app uses the Seedance 1.0 mini model for video generation. Also, let me show you the daily free credits. If you click on the left side here, then go to the Credit Balance section, you'll see they give you free credits every day. If you don't use them today, they'll be removed but refreshed the next day. This way, you can create videos without limits. You can use just one account daily or log in with different accounts and emails to access even more free credits in a single day. Let's create an example video with text-to-video feature. Under the AI video section, you can hover over the image on the left to upload an image and use the image-to-video tool. Or you can use the text box next to it to try the text-to-video feature. Super easy, right? Now I'm pasting a prompt I prepared earlier into the text box. A confident young woman walking gracefully along a sunlit street, striking a casual chic pose in a flowing white blouse and high-waisted jeans. Her hair is loose and slightly windswept, her skin glowing in the golden hour light, and she wears a soft, genuine smile. The background is artistically blurred to draw attention to her, with warm lighting highlighting her effortless beauty and poise. Now, I can adjust the aspect ratio of the video from the section below. I'll leave it in wide format. I can also set the duration, which I'm keeping at 5 seconds, and just like that, I start the generation. As you can see, the result flows in extremely high quality. It looks natural, like a real video, not like something made with typical AI tools. Let's test the image to video tool now. Most people don't realize AI can turn a still image into a moving cinematic video, but it can with this tool. Click the plus sign under the reference image section to upload an image. I uploaded a photo of a fox in nature. Then I enter my prompt to bring the image to life and start the generation. The camera gently pans along the riverbank as a red fox pauses near the water's edge, its ears twitching at the distant sound of birds. Sunlight glimmers through the trees, casting soft shadows as the forest begins to wake. As you can see, the result is once again very smooth and natural. The movement of the river and the fox looks incredibly realistic. Let's now create something more complex and cinematic with multiple scenes. By the way, I logged in with a new account to get free credits without waiting for a new day. You can do the same. Now, I'm entering a prompt with different scenes and cut transitions between them. A woman walks into a sunlit beach house. She lounges on a chair, sipping iced tea. She joins two friends on the porch, laughing as waves crash nearby. Since there are several scenes, I'm setting the duration to 10 seconds and starting the generation. As you can see, the result is quite cinematic, with various scenes, and the same character appears in each one wearing the same blue dress. So it's clear that Seedance isn't just generating random clips. It can also create scenes that feel like part of a real story. Let's try another one. This time, a story set in a nightclub. A woman steps into a vibrant nightclub, lights casting a glow on her face. She leans over the bar, ordering a drink with a confident smile. Drink in hand, she joins a lively crowd on the dance floor, moving to the beat surrounded by laughing friends and flashing lights. By the way, I'm still doing this on the same day using a different account, and as you can see, I can generate without limits. Now let's look at the result. It's really high quality, and the character design is impressive. Both the character and her outfit stay consistent between different scenes. As you can see, even if the prompt was super simple and easy to write, the result is very good. By combining these 10-second clips with different scenes, you can even create a full story video or a short film. Now, let's do a head-to-head comparison between Veo3 and Seedance. For that, I'm going to the Veo3 page and picking one of the example prompts there. I'll use that same prompt to generate a video using Seedance. Alright, I've placed both results side by side. As you can see, both are very cinematic. In fact, I think Seedance feels a bit more fluid. And if we also consider ease of use, I believe Seedance is currently the better option. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Lastly, I'm going to show you the avatar feature. For this, I select the avatar tab. Here, there are two fields where you can input an avatar and a script. I select the avatar, and once it's selected, I have two options. I can either enter a text or upload a previously recorded voice file. For this example, I prefer to enter text. I'll paste a sample text here. Then I choose one of the available voices below and start the generation process. In a short time, our avatar will be ready to speak the text. Let's see how it turned out together.
It's now very challenging to distinguish AI from real.
As you can see, this isn't just a simple video generator. It's more like a full video studio. Now you know exactly how to use Seedance for free. And yes, every video you saw today was made free. I've been having a blast testing the latest AI tools like this and sharing them with you. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and let's grow together. And don't wait. This free method might not last forever. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.